I'm sure all of us come across a scenario on daily basis where we realize that we're sending similar email content with minor changes on a daily basis. These might be about connecting them to your sales team, asking them a fixed set of questions, etc. On HubSpot, you can create email templates of your most frequently used emails so that you don't have to copy paste it from your notepads or type in the same email content again. In short, just automate this. Let's see how we do this. So to start off with, we'll go into our library, go to templates, and here you would be provided an option of either selecting creating a template from scratch or from the library. So from scratch, this is what it does. You give it a name for your HubSpot records. You give it a subject line, and then you directly create the content however the way you want it. What I'll do is, to save some time, we'll go to the template library. So HubSpot provides a default template library if you want to choose content from this library and then tweak it as per your requirements. So I'll go with the inbound lead from content. Just select it, save my selection, and now if I click on this, it gives me an option of editing this template. So over here, it has already personalized this for me. The contact name is something to personalized. And so this email, did you recently visited our website? Did you find it useful? And over here, if you see these brackets, these are where you can personalize your emails a bit more as per the contact who's come in as an inbound lead. You could provide tips. Actually, I did some research on companies. So over here as well, what you could do is, if you already have this contact inside your CRM, you could personalize a bit. Go to contact, go to company. Over here, if you type in the name, company name, so HubSpot will now directly take the company name from its records, and it will directly get, actually did some research on this company and have the following tips. So this gives it a more personalized touch. And then you could just update this existing template so that it saves all of these changes. And now if you see, if this contact has filled in a lead form and has come in through inbound, all I have to do is go to emails, create email, and then click on templates. So over here, this is the template which we just created. And this is, we see only one over here. There were many in the templates. On the templates page is because it's only showing the templates which I've created. So if I click on any, it will show me all of these templates. So I'll just put in my name over here. I click it, and you see the email content is now all populated over here. You can edit it and directly send this out. And this is how you can automate this process. This is just one template. You can create templates for various scenarios, and all you need to do every time is go to templates, click on the template, and it will populate. You can make those small edits or tweaks and send it out. So this is how the template automation works. Thank you.